guys, the package has arrived with the 11th Annual Carolina Coyote Classic buckles. So we are going to open this up and let all you guys see them with me. Excited, guys. The Lone Star Silversmiths always do an awesome job with the buckles. Here it is, 3rd place. Look at that. Ain't that cool? Look at that. Man, they came out great. Let's go. Let's move on to the next one. Put this back in here, trying to put my fingerprints all over them. There's 3rd place. We'll move on to 2nd. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty sweet. All right. And now, right here, numero uno, 1st place. There we go. Look at that. Ain't that cool? Man, those came out great. Big shout out to Lone Star Silversmiths. Lone Star Silversmiths. Tongue twister. Amazing job. We'll post some pictures later, but I want to let you guys know the buckles have arrived, and we will get them out to all the winners. I'll repackage them up in the different packages. We're going to send it to each winner. And congratulations, guys. They'll be in the mail, so we can see them on your belts here in the next few days. All right.